to begin our graduation exercise, may I invite everyone for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led with the Moria Music Ministry with Mr. Robbie de la Vega, conductor.
Please remain standing for the doxology to be led by Jewel Ayo. It is also time to celebrating for the achievements earned and a beginning for the new graduates.
Definitely, Sir Robert. And with this year's theme, SMCM, a cornucopia of excellence towards 2016, I believe that you will agree with that. If our graduating students truly grasp what our theme means, they can truly make a big difference and achieve for excellence.
And so, let us grab this opportunity to congratulate our graduating students, for they will be declared as graduates in a few moments. You have every reason to be grateful as well as celebrate, for today is the first day of the rest of your life and the future is in your hands.
Our congratulations in advance. Moving further, let us give way to Aris Mika El Padillo, this year's class salutatorian, to deliver us her welcome address. I believe, as these students prepare themselves here at the stage, they might recall their past experiences, either good or bad.
I agree with you, Ma'am Cynthia. And as they set out on a new venture, those were moments of beginning anew and of defining their best self. We pray that they will be able to surpass graduating class. Express
and 195 girls. These candidates have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed for the secondary education by the Department of Education and the Board of Trustees of St. Mary's College of Lake Hawaiian for school year 2012-2013. I, therefore, have the honor to present them to you for their graduation.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me as President of St. Mary's College of Lake Hawaiian and the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, I have the honor to confirm 161 boys and 195 girls as graduates of the secondary education of St. Mary's College of Lake Hawaiian. Their families are pertaining to the Department of Education. This is school year 2012-2013. My dear parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause to our new graduates. Congratulations.
Gentlemen and graduates from Section Alice. Next are the graduates from Section Generosity. Their major achievements include champion in Hollywood Girls and third place in our youth education. Here is their loving advisor, Mrs. Agnes de los Reyes. Let's give her a round of applause.
With so much pride and honor, may I present to you the graduates from Four Generosity Boys. Vergania Peter Paulo Q, Loyalty Awardee. David Lawrence B, Loyalty Awardee. Guzman Adrian S, Loyalty Awardee. Edison Genesis John M, Loyalty Awardee. And Gana Daryl R, Loyalty Awardee. Jinko Naoki C, Lozada Lemuel B, Mendoza Alex Justin C, Loyalty Awardee. Mendoza Jonas Paulo, Loyalty Awardee. Molina David Charles Jr. C, Loyalty Awardee. Natavio John Paul, Loyalty Awardee. Delgado Nicole J.C. Diaz Ingrid May L. Digma Felix Rodeline R. Eulalia Nicole Ann A. M. Fajardo Analor B. Garcia Eliza J. Gonzalez Mika A. Isha Eliza Marie Nicole E. Sandile Marie Abigail B. Loyalty Awardee. Lejante Nia Chanel L. Yunaria Ana Barbella R. Loyalty Awardee. Morday Maria Isabel T. Nepomuceno Charlene C. Fan Marian C. Elagio Normain Eleanor C. Loyalty Awardee. Postrero Ruelda May A. Loyalty Awardee. Riagola Mary Salvi F. Reyes Christine E. Congratulations, my dear generosity. To maintain the solemnity of this momentous occasion, may we remind the parents that we have our official photographer, plus you are requested not to overpass the area solely for graduates. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates from Section Generosity. Thank you, Mrs. Reyes.
They have been together for almost 10 years, and it is time for them to treasure each one as they bid farewell to one another through their farewell song.
Good.
What I've hoped for is thanks to you.